Ah, the perfect BBQ. It's that time of year again when the sun is shining, the grill is ready, and the tantalizing aroma of meat sizzling fills the air. Let's dive right into the essentials of throwing the ultimate barbecue that'll have your friends raving for weeks. First things first, quality cuts of meat are non-negotiable. You wouldn't serve a fine wine in a paper cup, right? So why would you skimp on the star of the show? Think marinated ribs that practically fall off the bone, juicy burgers that ooze flavor with every bite, or seasoned chicken that's bursting with zest. Trust me, it's all about that flavor. And here's a pro tip. Before you even think about firing up that grill, make sure your meat is at room temperature. This little step ensures even cooking, so you don't end up with a charred exterior and a cold center. Now let's talk about the grill itself. Preheat that bad boy to medium-high heat. You want to create an ideal sear that locks in all those delicious juices. Picture this. You place those ribs on the grill, and they start to sizzle, creating that beautiful caramelization. It's a glorious sound. But here's the catch. Resist the urge to flip the meat too often. Seriously, overflipping is a rookie mistake. Just turn it once, and let that perfect crust form. It's all about patience, my friends. And while we're on the topic of flavors, let's not forget about the smoky goodness that can elevate your BBQ to another level. Mixing charcoal with wood chips is the way to go. Think hickory, mesquite, or applewood. Each brings its own unique twist to your meats. Just imagine that rich, smoky flavor infusing into your ribs as they cook. It's the kind of flavor that makes you want to close your eyes and savor every bite. Now, cooking temperatures are crucial. You've got to keep a close eye on them. Overcooked meat is a tragedy we all want to avoid. Nobody wants dry, sad ribs or burgers that resemble hockey pucks. Use a meat thermometer if you have to, but trust your instincts. When you see those juices running clear, you know you're on the right track. But wait, the BBQ isn't just about the meat? Let's talk sides, because variety is the spice of life. Grilling vegetables like corn, bell peppers, or asparagus can add a fresh crunch to your spread. A drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of seasoning is all you need to elevate those veggies. And don't forget the grilled bread. A little char on that crust can turn a simple slice into a gourmet experience. Now let's discuss the finishing touches. You can't have a BBQ without a selection of sauces and sides. Think creamy coleslaw, tangy potato salad, and maybe some grilled bread to mop up all those delicious juices. It's all about balance, right? And let's not forget the drinks. Chilled beverages are a must. Whether it's ice-cold lemonade, craft beer, or a refreshing cocktail, keep them flowing. Finally, the most important ingredient of all, good company. Gather your friends, family, or even neighbors. BBQs are about connection, laughter, and sharing stories. And don't forget to set the mood with some background music. A little playlist of your favorite tunes can transform your backyard into a lively gathering spot. So there you have it. The keys to the perfect BBQ experience. Quality meat, the right grill technique, delicious sides, and great company. Now get out there, fire up that grill, and make some unforgettable memories. Happy grilling.